Dry and sunny today. Abingdon's top temperature, 24 degrees Celsius. Now is the time for Giselle and I to try and break the World Mouse Clicking Championship record. 104 clicks of a mouse in 10 seconds. Giselle, I've got it all up on my computer. Come over here, please.
OK.
And come on, stop practising. Oh. Stop practising. Giselle is going to press the start button for me on my computer, and then I'll have 10 seconds to click like fury. OK,
so
Giselle.
Your best score yesterday was what?
My best score yesterday was 41, yeah. OK.
You ready?
All right, I'm ready. Here we go. Go for it.
Sabotage, now you're not holding it right. Outrageous.
I was holding it.
You were doing it really badly. OK, I got 32. Your time. Giselle, do you want me to hold the mouse for you?
Yeah, go on then.
OK, here we go. Your time starts now. Come on, Giselle, come on. Here we go. 32 to beat, and you'll become the World Mouse Clicking Championship holder. You're going to do it. She's done it. 37 clicks of the mouse. Well done, Giselle Ruskin. You are Mouse Clicking Champion. It's on our Facebook page. I thoroughly recommend you try this out.
I'm only the champion at heart, really. The world record is 104 after all.
We managed...
so hard. I don't know how they ever got that.
37 we just managed to.
Basically a third.
Wow.
Oh, dear.
Got a great Simon Cowell story in the news for you. That's coming up in just a couple of ticks.
Breakfast with